Ostrich, the unmatched speed champion of nature. When people talk about speed, horses usually come to mind, but there's a giant African bird that broke the record. The ostrich! With its long, powerful legs, it can run up to 70 km at 4 lutiga mph, faster than many cars in the city. This flightless bird not only runs fast, but also covers up to 5 meters with each stride like it's got springs under its feet. Even more fascinating, when a male ostrich feels threatened or challenged, it makes a sound similar to a lion's roar. Imagine a massive bird, lightning fast and roaring like a beast, racing across the African plains, like a creature straight out of a legend, with eyes bigger than its brain. The ostrich has incredible vision and can spot predators from far away. If you're looking for a true hero of the wild, the ostrich is the one to know.